So, you know you should be creating content for your online business to grow, but you're struggling to come up with ideas on what to create? No worries, I got you covered. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you 8 simple and straightforward content ideas so that you can start producing content and growing your business. As we dive into these 8 topics, I just want to let you know that our channel is all about teaching you effective marketing strategies, helping you to build your online business so that you can create the time freedom that you and your family are looking for. Now, these topics will work for virtually all businesses. You just need to know exactly who your audience is so that you can customize the content to speak to your target audience. Also, all of these topics will work on any type of platform, whether you're doing YouTube videos, blog posts, or written articles, or even podcasts. So, number 8. Reviews or insights about a specific product or book. Say you read a good book lately. Is it relevant to your target audience? Awesome. Do a review on it. Or maybe you purchased a product or a service that your audience may be interested in. Great. Create a piece of content around reviewing that book, product, or service. Number 7. Introduction to content. This is where you're basically just explaining what something is. This could be anything from introduction to ActiveCampaign, an email autoresponder you may be affiliate for, or introduction to QuickBooks for your bookkeeping needs. Maybe an introduction to the Suzuki method for teaching music. Again, whatever fits your audience. This can be pretty similar to a review, but this is just explaining what something is, not necessarily giving your opinion on it. Number 6. Ultimate guide content. These are full tutorials or complete walkthroughs of something. They're generally pretty long in length and very comprehensive. This could be something like ultimate guide to creating YouTube videos, or ultimate guide to the ketogenic lifestyle, or the ultimate guide to essential oils. Number 5, tell a story. You can tell a story of how you or your business has helped or impacted the lives of others. You can also tell stories that share your personal lessons learned on your journey. Number 4, frequently asked questions. Now, you can take any question that you've received more than once from your audience and then turn around and create a piece of content answering that question. You could also create just a single piece of content that answers several FAQs. A good rule of thumb is that if you hear a question from your customers or your audience more than once, create content about it. Number 3, how they did it. You can share how other people are succeeding. Your basic success story. How someone lost their first 20 pounds. How someone became financially free. Basically, how did someone create some type of result that your audience is looking to create. This can come in the form of interviews where you are interacting with the subject, or even case studies where you're reporting just on what you've seen them do. Number 2. How I did it. Simply lay out how you accomplish something. And don't think something is too small. People want to learn from those who are only 1 or 2 steps ahead of them. So how you generated your very first lead online. How you generated your first online sale. How did you lose your very first 10 pounds? How did you cut out refined sugar from your diet? Whatever. Number 1, and one of my very favorite types of content to create are how-tos. Teach them how to do something. When you teach someone something, not only do you build up some credibility with them, but people will also come back to you to learn more if they got something from you the first time, right? So here are some examples that you can think about. Let this percolate a little bit for you. Okay, how to make $100 a day online. How to generate leads with Instagram. How to transition to a ketogenic lifestyle. How to potty train your toddler. How to get started in homeschooling. And trust me, even if you don't immediately think there is something that you can teach others, there is. Some of the most successful content online is really teaching people something that's super simple. Think about it. What do you do if you're too embarrassed to ask someone a question of how to do something? You just look it up online. So you could even do something as simple as how to take a selfie, how to create a Facebook account, how to cast a fishing pole, how to put on a hook. Now, I challenge you to write down some ideas that this has spurred for you and create a piece of content today, no matter how small. Once you take that first step in creating content, it gets easier and easier to do it. Now, most entrepreneurs struggle with one key component of creating content: consistency. And without a consistent schedule for creating content, you will struggle to get any traction, to grow your audience, and to make sales. So click here in the upper right corner of this video to check out how to create a content schedule that will work for you. And if this is your very first time here, welcome. We'd love to have you subscribe because we are here to teach you the most effective strategies to build an online business to create time freedom that you and your family deserve. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'll see you soon.